Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something that completely changed the way I do online marketing. If you're like me, you've probably spent a ton of time building landing pages, creating free reports, and testing lead magnets, all just to grow an email list that barely converts. I've been there, and honestly, it's exhausting. That's when I discovered a tool called QuizTarget, and everything started to shift. QuizTarget is an incredibly easy-to-use quiz builder that lets you create interactive quizzes designed to capture leads, drive engagement, and even boost your sales. The best part? You don't need any tech skills, design experience, or big marketing budget. It's literally a few clicks, and your quiz is ready to go live. People love quizzes. They engage with them, they share them, and most importantly, they give you their email address just to see the results. With QuizTarget, you can build quizzes that are fun and highly targeted. You can segment your audience based on their answers and even show personalized offers right inside the quiz, which means more conversions without being pushy or salesy. The software includes dozens of ready-made templates, drag-and-drop editing, logic branching, multimedia support, and even video quizzes that really boost engagement. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, launching a product, running an agency, or just trying to build your list, this tool adapts to your needs and delivers results fast. I've been using QuizTarget myself, and the opt-in rates are seriously impressive. If you're tired of traditional lead gen tactics that no longer work, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. If you want to learn more about QuizTarget, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.